Okay, my loves, this is your first set of tutorial notes. So in your journals, I had you create a cover page, and then I had you skip a couple of pages, and you took some notes over lab safety. And those secondary pages are just in case we need them throughout the year. So after you skip past your notes over lab safety that you took over the video, I want you to create a page in some way and title it Unit 1 Chemistry. And then you know this is where all your chemistry notes will be. So stop the video and take a minute. You do not have to color it the way I did, but you can if you want to. And go ahead and create a title page for me. Okay, so once that is done, we are going to go ahead and start with your notes. And we're going to start on this clean right page here, okay? And I want you to title these notes Atoms. Okay? Now, after you get this titled, we're going to set this up in a very specific way. We're going to draw a line across the top, and then I want you to leave a little bit of space. You'll find out why in a minute. And then I want you to draw a line down the rest of the page that splits it in half, just like that. And I'll lift the camera up so you can see better. Okay, so you can see that your page is split with this one little column here and this area here. Now I'm going to explain what that is. Okay, this is called Cornell Notes. All right, and during Cornell Notes, we leave this column over here for high points, questions you may have, or topics, and then the meat of your notes goes in here. You can also put pictures here if you want, or little words or phrases that help you remember what section it is. All right, so the first thing we're going to start with is the definition of the atom. All right, the atom is the smallest unit of matter. So I want you to write down what I write down. All right. Each element on the periodic table is composed of atoms or made up of atoms. Okay. Each element is composed of atoms. All right. Now, even though the atom is the smallest unit of matter, meaning everything is made up of atoms. This pen in my hand is made up of atoms. This piece of paper is made up of atoms. Ink is made up of atoms. My fingernails are made up of atoms. Your desk, everything is made up of atoms, okay? So, even though that's the smallest unit of matter, what matter is made of, the atom itself has 3 other particles. So there are 3 parts to the atom. Okay? And they have another word, so we're going to write that word over here. They are called subatomic particles. Okay? Subatomic particles. Now, we're going to start with each particle so that you have an idea of what they are called and what they mean and where they are found.